Buckle up, tech fans. Here are the must-watch smartphones of 2025. First on the list is the OnePlus 13. Expected in December, it's a flagship killer with a 6,000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and Hasselblad camera tech. A real giant slayer. Next, the Asus ROG Phone 9, launching in November. With a new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and dual USB-C ports, it's a gamer's dream, perfect for marathon sessions. For Xiaomi fans, the Xiaomi 15 series is coming, packed with Snapdragon power and AI magic, a true global contender. Honor Magic 7 follows, with AI features and a fresh design, launching soon in China, worldwide in 2025. Affordable iPhone? The iPhone SE 4 with a 6.1-inch OLED screen and USB-C. Look out for it by March. Samsung Galaxy S25, expected in January, brings Snapdragon chips globally and smaller bezels. Classic Samsung excellence. Google Pixel 9a offers AI smarts and solid cameras, likely around $500. Affordable and sleek. Other notables: Honor Magic V3 Foldable, Sony Xperia 1 VI for camera lovers, Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. 2025's lineup has something for everyone. Subscribe to Gadget Hacks Hub for more updates and reviews. Don't miss out.